In this video we're taking an honest look at the TD First Class Travel Visa Infinite Credit Card, a premium travel rewards card that promises big points and strong perks. You can earn up to 165,000 TD rewards points after meeting the spending requirements, which can be worth around $800 toward travel, plus an annual $100 travel credit. The card gives 8 points per dollar on travel booked through Expedia for TD, 6 points on groceries, dining and public transit, and 2 points on everything else. It also includes travel insurance, purchase protection, and 4 complimentary airport lounge visits each year. But here's the catch: those high earning rates apply only when you book through Expedia for TD, and all foreign transactions still carry a 2.5% fee. The annual fee is often rebated in the first year, but this card fits best for travelers who book through TD's travel portal and prefer simplicity over flexibility. Subscribe for more clear, data-driven reviews and smart money breakdowns.